Is it time to buy or sell Brown & Brown stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Brown & Brown. Our initial report was published on our website on the 24th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 16th of January, 2025, our system has identified Brown & Brown as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.2. Now, let's examine the stock's performance over this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.05%. This equates to an average return of 0.01% each day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock currently rests in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decrease within this trend. The present 3-month trend hints at a potential decrease of approximately 6.05% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 12.34% to negative 3.41%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 37.46% over the next year, with a potential return between 32.72% and 53.43%. This implies a future price range of between $140.68 to $162.64 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Brown & Brown includes the headline: Brown & Brown Inc. stock price ended at $106 on Friday after gaining 0.732%. The Brown & Brown Inc. stock price gained 0.732% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 24th of January, 2025. The price rose from $105.23 to $106. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.69%, with a day low at $104.45 and a day high of $106.22. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.38% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 122,000 shares, with a total of 1 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $155.75 million. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $114.15, while the lowest price was $75.79. Currently, the price is 7.14%, or $8.15, below the 52-week high of $114.15, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Brown & Brown Incorporated has recently garnered attention with its announcement of a quarterly cash dividend of 15 cents per share, scheduled for payment on February 12, 2025. This dividend declaration underscores the company's dedication to returning value to its shareholders, which could enhance investor sentiment and drive demand for the stock in the short term. Looking ahead, Brown & Brown is set to release its fourth quarter earnings on January 27, 2025. Analysts are optimistic about strong performance indicators, potentially leading to an earnings surprise that could positively impact the stock price shortly after the announcement. The company's resilient business model, characterized by new client acquisition, solid retention strategies, and strategic buyouts, supports expectations for growth. Moreover, following significant recovery efforts in the insurance sector after natural disasters, Brown & Brown is well positioned in this landscape. Investors might find the stock attractive, especially given its impressive rise of approximately 36.9% over the past year. This momentum aligns with the overall positive outlook for the company, with Brown & Brown also recognized as one of the top high-growth dividend stocks for January. The combination of dividend payments and growth potential places the company in a favorable position, enhancing long-term investor confidence. Consequently, both the upcoming earnings report and the recent dividend announcement could play pivotal roles in shaping Brown & Brown's stock trajectory in the months ahead. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned BRO a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned BRO a hold rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned BRO an equal weight rating with an initialize action. On Monday, the 12th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned BRO an overweight rating with an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that Raymond James assigned BRO an outperform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Brown & Brown stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Brown & Brown. The chart today shows predominantly positive signals. Brown & Brown Incorporated stock is receiving buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $105.33 and $104.17. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 2nd, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 5.43%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has also been noted from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It's important to note that trading volume decreased during the last trading day, even while prices were rising. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 4 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 17 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Brown & Brown. Brown & Brown Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $105.04. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits controlled movements, and with strong liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be very low. Over the past day, the stock moved $1.77 between its high and low, representing a change of 1.69%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.36%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Brown & Brown, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in companies with established track records or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of the year 2024 is anticipated on the 27th of January 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 75 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Brown & Brown. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Brown & Brown is at $110.55. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Brown & Brown encounters its first support level at $105.04. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Brown & Brown from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 31st of December, 2024, Brown P. Barrett sold 100,360 shares of common stock with a par value of 10 cents. On the 31st of December, 2024, Brown J. Powell also sold 100,360 shares of common stock with a par value of 10 cents. On the 31st of December, 2024, Brown Hyatt J. sold 100,360 shares of common stock with a par value of 10 cents. On the 13th of December, 2024, Watts R. Andrew sold 2,017 shares of common stock with a par value of 10 cents. On the 13th of December, 2024, Watts R. Andrew purchased 345 shares of common stock with a par value of 10 cents. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 82.547. In total, insiders acquired 272,073 shares, while selling 2,735,038 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $101.45, representing a decline of 4.29%. This stock exhibits very low daily movements, resulting in a minimal risk profile. However, the relative strength index, calculated over a period of 14 days, is at 78, which significantly elevates the risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 14 days ago. Is Brown & Brown stock a good buy? Despite the stock being in a downward trend, several short-term signals are showing positivity. We conclude that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 27th of January, we expect Brown & Brown to open down approximately 443 ten-thousandths of a dollar and start trading at $105.56. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.